This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for a mass vaccination program from 11th to 14th of this month to be observed as Vaccination Festival. Mr. Modi urged the youth to come forward and help senior citizens and others who need help for registering for COVID vaccination. Interacting with Chief Ministers of States on COVID situation through video conferencing, Mr. Modi stressed on the need to create micro-containment zones to effectively contain the rising cases of COVID-19. Mr. Modi expressed disappointment that in some states people have turned casual and administration too seems to be lazy. The Prime Minister said a challenging situation is emerging again. He urged the states to focus on test, track, treat COVID-appropriate behavior and COVID management. Mr. Modi said, once again, we need to raise awareness about the importance of wearing a mask and following COVID-19 safety protocols. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh has announced to conduct a mass vaccination campaign in the state from 11th to 14th April. Facilities for vaccination would be made available to all the healthcare units, including private hospitals, during the campaign. Mr. Singh said that the percentage of vaccination in Manipur for individuals above 60 years of age is very low. He appealed to the public who are eligible for vaccination to get vaccinated during the mass vaccination campaign. The Chief Minister stressed on the need for 100% vaccination of healthcare workers and frontline workers. He urged the public to strictly adhere to the standard operating procedures and to observe COVID-appropriate behavior. Meghalaya registered one more death due to COVID-19 in the East Khasi Hills and 25 new cases yesterday. The new cases included 20 in East Khasi Hills, 2 in East Jaintia Hills and 1 each in Ribhoi, West Jaintia Hills and West Khasi Hills district. One more recovery from the viral infection was also reported from West Garo Hills. With the second wave of COVID-19 gripping the country, the Meghalaya Government has recreated the Individual Behaviour Change Management Protocol besides reactivating the Behaviour Change Management Committees. The government has requested all citizens to strictly adhere to SOPs and protocols. Commissioner and Secretary Meghalaya Health Department Sampath Kumar said that the state government has stepped up entry protocols. Returnees from 11 states which have been reporting large number of cases are being asked to provide RT-PCR negative certificates before entering the state. The Meghalaya government is also planning to extend the protocol to returnees from all other states. Union Minister of State for Development of Northeastern Region, donor Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that more than 250 crore rupees had been sanctioned for augmenting healthcare facilities in the northeastern states for effective management of COVID-19. The minister chaired a meeting of the Parliamentary Consultative Committee for Ministry of Donor in New Delhi yesterday. Dr. Singh said that the fund has greatly helped in developing infrastructure for management of COVID-19 and other infectious diseases in the northeast. A day-long regional workshop of northeastern states on Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY3 is underway in Gangtok, Sikkim. The workshop is being organized by the Union Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Sikkim Skill Development Department. Participants are learning and sharing the best practices and understanding the challenges related to PMKVY for its improved implementation. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, which has severely affected economic activities in the country, Meghalaya has achieved positive revenue growth. Commissioner of Taxes Arun Kumar Kimbhavi has said tax collections in the year 2021 stood at 1,526.50 crore rupees compared to 1,488.37 crore in 2019-20. The GST revenue collection in the month of March 2021 stood at 101.75 crore rupees compared to 58.55 crore in March 2020, showing a phenomenal growth of 73.78%, the official said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.